Imagine turning any space into a cinematic paradise, whether it's your living room, backyard, or a cozy camping trip. The HAPPRUN H1 Projector delivers native 1080-pixel Full HD resolution with stunning clarity, vibrant colors, and a massive 200-inch display, bringing the theater experience right to your home. With Bluetooth 5.1, built-in HiFi stereo speakers, and support for external audio, every movie, game, or sports event feels immersive. Portable and versatile, this mini projector features plus or minus 15 degrees keystone correction, multiple connectivity options, HDMI, USB, AV, and compatibility with Fire Stick, PS5, smartphones, and more. Plus, the included 100-inch screen and carry bag make outdoor movie nights effortless. Perfect for family gatherings, gaming marathons, or solo binge watching, the HAPPRUN H1 is your ticket to endless entertainment. Ready to elevate your viewing experience? Your personal cinema awaits. The HAPPRUN H1 is a native 1080-pixel Full HD projector designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It boasts a 1920 by 1080 resolution, 10,000:1 contrast ratio, and Bluetooth 5.1 for wireless audio connectivity. Key features include native 1080-pixel resolution, supports 4K input, 200-inch projection size, plus or minus 15 degrees keystone correction for easy alignment, dual built-in HiFi stereo speakers, multiple connectivity options, HDMI, USB, AV, 3.5mm jack, portable and lightweight design. Comes with a 100-inch projector screen and carry bag. This projector is marketed as an all-in-one entertainment solution for movies, gaming, and outdoor gatherings. Unboxing and package contents. The HAPPRUN H1 comes in a well-packaged box with the following items: HAPPRUN H1 projector, main unit, 100-inch projector screen, HDMI cable, AV cable, remote control, user manual, carry bag for screen and projector. The inclusion of a projector screen is a significant advantage, as many budget projectors don't provide one. The carry bag makes it convenient for travel and outdoor movie nights. Design and build quality. The HAPPRUN H1 has a compact and portable design, weighing around 2.5 kilograms, making it easy to carry. The build quality is sturdy, with a matte black finish that reduces reflections. Key design elements: ventilation grills for heat dissipation, adjustable focus wheel on top, control buttons on the back panel, multiple ports, HDMI, USB, AV, audio jack. The projector's small footprint allows it to fit easily on a table, tripod, or ceiling mount. Display performance and image quality. Native 1080-pixel resolution. Unlike many budget projectors that use interpolated 1080-pixel, the HAPPRUN H1 offers true native 1920 by 1080 resolution, ensuring sharp and detailed images. It also supports 4K input, meaning you can play 4K content, though it will be downscaled to 1080-pixel. Brightness and contrast ratio. With a 10,000:1 contrast ratio, the projector delivers deep blacks and vibrant colors. However, brightness is not specified in ANSI lumens, which is a slight drawback. In a dark or dimly lit room, the image quality is excellent, but in well-lit environments, the picture may appear washed out. Screen size and projection distance. 40 to 200 inches screen size. Optimal distance, 6.8 to 16.4 feet. Best performance at 100 to 120 inches. Keystone correction, plus or minus 15 degrees. The plus or minus 15 degrees keystone correction manual helps adjust the image if the projector isn't perfectly aligned. This is useful for angled placements, e.g. on a bedside table. Sound quality and Bluetooth connectivity. The built-in dual stereo speakers provide decent sound quality, suitable for small to medium-sized rooms. However, for a true cinematic experience, connecting external speakers via Bluetooth 5.1 is recommended. Bluetooth limitations: cannot connect to smartphones. Only audio devices like speakers/headphones. No Alexa/Google Assistant support. Connectivity and compatibility. The projector supports HDMI for Fire Stick, Roku, PS5, Xbox, PC, USB for media playback, AV for older devices, 3.5mm audio jack for wired headphones/speakers. It works with streaming devices, Fire TV Stick, Roku, Gaming consoles: PS5, PS4, Xbox, Nintendo Switch. Laptops and smartphones. Via HDMI adapter. Setup and user experience. Indoor use. Works well in darkened rooms. Best for bedroom or basement home theaters. Outdoor use. Requires complete darkness for best results. The included screen enhances visibility. Mounting options. Tabletop placement. Tripod mount, 1/4 inch thread, ceiling mount with additional bracket. Gaming performance. PS5, Xbox PC. Low input lag makes it suitable for casual gaming. Not ideal for competitive gaming due to slight delay. Vibrant colors enhance gameplay. Projector screen and accessories. The 100-inch screen included is a bonus, providing a smoother surface than projecting on a wall. The carry bag ensures easy transport. Pros and cons. Pros: true native 1080 pixel resolution. Includes projector screen and carry bag. Bluetooth 5.1 for wireless audio. Multiple connectivity options. Portable and easy to set up. Cons: brightness not specified. Not ideal for well-lit rooms. Bluetooth doesn't support smartphones. Manual keystone correction, not automatic. Final verdict and recommendation. The HAPPRUN H1 Projector 1080 pixel is an excellent mid-range projector for home theater enthusiasts, outdoor movie nights, casual gamers, families looking for a big screen experience. Who should buy it? Those who want true 1080 pixel on a budget, users who need Bluetooth audio, people who want a portable projector with a screen. Who should avoid it? Competitive gamers needing ultra-low lag, users who need high brightness for daytime viewing. Final rating: 9.5/10. A great value for money projector with some minor limitations. Conclusion: the HAPPRUN H1 Projector 1080 pixel delivers an impressive, big screen experience at an affordable price. With native Full HD resolution, Bluetooth audio support, and a portable design, it stands out in the crowded budget projector market. While it may not replace a high-end 4K projector, it's a fantastic choice for casual users, movie lovers, and outdoor entertainers. If you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use projector with great picture quality, the HAPPRUN H1 is a strong contender.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.